Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to go over how to edit the shop page on the Neve theme paired with dynamic shopping. Makes a beautiful shop. So let's dive right in. All right, here we are at the dashboard. And if you're new to WordPress, to get a new theme, all you need to do is go over here to your left-hand side, click on appearances. You're going to be greeted with the 2024 theme or whatever theme is currently installed. And then in the top left, click add new theme. As you can see, there's 7,091 themes repository. We're going to be using the Neve theme, so we can just go to here and search. Click install. A few seconds. We're going to activate. And now we have the Neve theme. I always leave the default theme on there just so if I need to debug something. Now to customize your shop page, there's different ways to get there. You can either click here, customize, or under the appearance tab, customizer. We get to the shop page, we're going to go to the left side and WooCommerce towards the bottom. And going to go to product category shop page. All right, starting from the top, we have what you want to show on here. You can show products, categories, categories and products. So if you want to show the categories above the products, you can. And this is on the category page. You show subcategories or products. So if you want to narrow it down, you could do the show categories. Then when they click on the category page, you could do show subcategories. So then quickly get to subcategories if that's how you want your shop to be displayed. I'm just going to keep it by default. Products. Then you can change the order to popular, average. You can sort by most recent, sort ascending price, descending price. You can choose how many rows you want. So right now it's set to 3. Go to 4, or we can go down to 2. I think 3 is a good sweet spot. So with the Neve theme, 4 looks good with the toolbar from dynamic shopping theme. And how many rows per page. Row on the bottom. And here is how you can change how this looks. Now, by default, you just have the one grid, and these other ones are locked behind the premium. So categories, but again, they're locked. You have a lot of it locked down to where you just have this setup. See, they keep a lot of it behind a paywall. So if you want to unlock these, you just get the premium version. Now, if we want to change the colors of the background and the text, go back, colors of background. They have some global settings already for you. Got the accent color change. Want to change the little sale tabs. Big fan of blue. And if you want to change the background color, you do it here. Now the next thing you're really going to want to do is add a mini cart. So you either click the pencil, or you can access it by going back, header, and in cases you can add little widgets. We're going to add the cart icon. Cart. Change the style by changing the size, color, red. Hit publish. We're going to exit out. As you can see, it's very simple to edit and change everything with the Neve theme, and pairing that with AutoWP shopping plugin gives you some amazing features. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.